World-class faculty, cutting-edge labs, and immersive learning. A vibrant campus life beyond the classroom. SGT University, nurturing future leaders.
Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your chai and grab some popcorn because politics just got a Bollywood twist in New York.
तुमने कभी किसी को वोट किया? कभी किसी को रैंक किया?
And the man behind this political masala is none other than Zohran Mamdani, the state lawmaker from Queens, who is turning the heat up in New York politics, all while speaking Bangla, Spanish, and Shah Rukh Khan apparently. Yes, you heard that right. He is the man who's run a political campaign like it's a Karan Johar movie. Drama, heart, and just the right amount of emotions.
आपकी वजह से हमने $8 मिलियन रेज किया है.
Picture this. It's New Year's Day, freezing cold, and what does Mamdani do? Jumps right into the icy waters of Coney Island in a full dress suit. No, it wasn't a dare. It was a campaign strategy to promote his rent freeze plan. And when he wasn't swimming, he was walking, jogging, running and whatnot, covering all 13 miles of Manhattan on foot, meeting New Yorkers, shaking hands, and of course, posting every step on social media because what's a revolution if it is not real worthy, right? But it is not all about drama in TikToks. Mamdani's campaign promises read like a wish list for working New Yorkers, free childcare, free buses, a rent freeze, and more affordable housing. While some rivals like Andrew Cuomo are singing the same old tune about crime and law and order, Mamdani is bringing optimism back into the conversation. He's talking about affordability, accessibility, and especially accountability.
मैं हमारे शहर को अफोर्डेबल बनाऊंगा. न्यूयॉर्कर्स मुश्किल से अफोर्ड कर रहे हैं रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान. मैं ये सब बदलने के लिए लड़ रहा हूँ.
Now, if you're wondering, where did this guy even come from? Well, it's a journey worthy of a biopic. Mamdani was born in Kampala, Uganda to Indian parents. He lived in South Africa, moved to New York at age 7, became a US citizen in 2018 and by 2020, boom, he had already taken down a political heavyweight to become a state assemblyman, that too in Queens. Since then, he has been re-elected twice and has become something of a Gen Z political hero. Smart, sharp, and very online. His TikToks and Insta Reels are not just cute, they are multilingual and inclusive.
6 लाख से ज्यादा दरवाजे खटखटाए हैं और बस इतने करीब है इस शहर का पहला साउथ एशियन मेयर बनाने के लिए.
And now he has got the mayor's office in New York with a campaign that's part protest, part production, and all heart. It's not your typical campaign, but maybe that is exactly what makes it work, because in a city that never sleeps, maybe what we need is a leader who never stops walking and talking.
आप जितने ज्यादा लोगों को रैंक करते हो, उतनी ज्यादा आपकी बैलेट और आवाज में ताकत होती है. इसलिए मैं चाहता हूं कि आप मुझे, ज़ोहरान ममदानी को, अपने बैलेट पे पहले नंबर पे रैंक कीजिए.
So whether you agree with his politics or not, one thing is for sure. Zohran Mamdani has changed the campaign game and he's doing it one freeze, one walk and one Bollywood beat at a time. Will he change New York or not? Only time will tell. Politics ka hero ya social media ka star? We will let you decide. But for now, Zohran Mamdani, you have officially made New York filmy again.